This Coldwell Banker Premier Realty property video is presented by Dylan Stanley. Come see this cute 2-bed 2-bath home close to Hartman schools and I-40. With a little elbow grease, this could be your next dream home. Repair and reap the rewards. Great opportunity for investors or handy home owners. Sold as is and in-house loans or cash only. All offers submitted by the buyer's agent in res.net agent portal. If your offer is accepted, you agree to a technology fee of $75. The fee will be collected and disbursed by the settlement agent and disbursed at the closing and settlement of the transaction. To begin, click or paste this link into your web browser, https://agent.res.net/offers.asks -1,797,475. Agents see private remarks for more information.